Laughland Whitening Kit online. It claims to be a dentist-formulated, LED-powered teeth whitening system that uses personalized gels and a sleek mouthpiece to brighten your smile. They also boast over 200,000 happy customers. Sounds pretty promising, right? But the big question is it actually legit? Or is there more to the story? Let's break it down together. First, let's talk about what the brand is doing right. One good sign is that the product has been clinically tested, which adds a bit of credibility. According to them, they tested it on 34 healthy men and women. Not a huge sample size, but at least they're trying to show some science behind it. Another positive is that they're open about the ingredients they use. That's helpful, especially for people who have allergies or sensitivities. Transparency like that builds a bit of trust. They also make a big deal about the product being designed by dentists and recommended by experts, which helps build confidence. Seeing professional endorsements makes the kit seem more reliable, especially for something that involves your health and your teeth. But let's be honest, what really matters is what real users are saying. Now, on their own website, you'll find lots of glowing reviews. But we've all seen enough to know those can sometimes be cherry-picked or even fake. So we dug deeper and checked Trustpilot, and that's where things got a little concerning. There were only 2 reviews there, and both were negative. One user shared a frustrating story about trying to cancel an order just 10 minutes after placing it, but was told it had already shipped. They never received tracking info, and after weeks of waiting, they were only offered a 50% discount. Honestly, that sounds like a customer service nightmare. It gets worse. When we looked at Facebook reviews, we found even more complaints. One user warned that if you sign up for the trial, you're automatically put into a subscription, and the company will charge you full price every month. And when they tried to cancel or get a refund, they were met with excuses or flat-out refusals. That kind of deceptive billing is a huge red flag. So what's the final verdict? Well, Laughland Whitening Kit does look good on the surface. It has dentist backing, clear ingredients, and professional-looking branding. But once you dig into what real customers are saying, especially on third-party platforms, the story changes. The customer service issues and sketchy subscription practices are definitely concerning. So if you're thinking about trying it, just be careful. Read the fine print, and don't ignore the warning signs. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews.